worked out well. Alright. Right off the bat. Didn't quite get him in the mouth, but that whopper plopper, that's actually a different name, but we got right on the fish. I do not want to put this in my hand. So we're going to let him settle down. Alright. Good fish. Came right out of the reeds. Alright. Yeah, it's going to take some work. Good fish. Skinny. Hasn't been eating much. But found that lure. See a previous video. Got that fish on the, that is a Berkley Chapo.